What if I told you there are simple life lessons that could fix 90% of your problems? It might sound too good to be true, but the truth is, most of our struggles come from the same core issues. By learning a few key lessons, you can solve problems faster, avoid unnecessary stress, and live a more fulfilling life. Ready to change your perspective? Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Stop chasing approval. One of the biggest sources of unhappiness is trying to please everyone around you. We waste so much time worrying about what others think, but here's the truth: not everyone's opinion matters. The more you try to seek validation from others, the more you lose yourself. Instead, focus on your own values and what makes you happy. The moment you stop chasing approval, you gain the freedom to live authentically. Lesson 2. Control what you can. Let go of what you can't. Many of life's problems come from trying to control things that are simply beyond our control: other people's actions, the past, or even the future. The key is to recognize what's within your power and what isn't. When you focus on what you can control, you reduce stress and anxiety. Let go of the rest and trust the process. Lesson 3. Learn to say no. We often say yes to things out of guilt, fear of missing out, or pressure from others. But every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your goals, you're saying no to yourself. Set boundaries and protect your time. Learning to say no isn't selfish, it's self-respect. It's how you create space for what truly matters. Lesson 4. Embrace failure as part of growth. We've been taught to fear failure, but the truth is, failure is one of the best teachers. It shows you what doesn't work and gives you a chance to adjust and try again. If you're not failing, you're not pushing yourself enough. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as a necessary part of growth. The only real failure is not trying at all. Lesson 5. Don't compare your life to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. In today's world, it's easy to look at others' highlight reels on social media and feel like you're falling behind. But remember, everyone's journey is different. You don't see their struggles, only their successes. Focus on your own path and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Lesson 6. Practice gratitude every day. It's easy to focus on what's going wrong in your life, but gratitude shifts your perspective. When you start appreciating what you have, you attract more positivity and happiness into your life. Gratitude is a mindset that can transform how you see the world. Make it a habit to write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. Lesson 7. Take responsibility for your life. It's tempting to blame others for your problems, your upbringing, your boss, the government. But here's the hard truth: you are responsible for your own happiness. Taking ownership of your life is empowering. It means you have the power to change your situation, no matter where you are right now. Lesson 8. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, taking care of your health, or developing a positive mindset, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. Your growth is your greatest asset. The more you improve yourself, the better your life will become. Lesson 9. Don't take things personally. Not everything people do is about you. When someone is rude or dismissive, it often has more to do with their own struggles than with you. Don't internalize other people's negativity. Learn to let it go and focus on your own peace of mind. Lesson 10. Live in the present moment. We spend so much time worrying about the future or regretting the past that we forget to live right now. The present moment is the only time you can truly control. Enjoy it. Be mindful of where you are and what you're doing. When you live fully in the present, you reduce stress and increase your overall happiness. So, there you have it. 10 simple life lessons that can solve 90% of your problems. Start applying these principles today and watch how your life begins to change. The answers you've been searching for aren't out there, they're within you. It's time to take control and start living the life you deserve.